I'm gonna make some carrot juice, some watermelon juice, and some pineapple juice. And it's gonna be so good. It's gonna be masarap.
Hey guys, nagsalita ng Tagalog, practice. So anyway, maggawa kami ng juice, homemade, tapos watermelon at saka carrot siya ang nagbabala, tapos meron kaming pineapple. Yan, hinuhugasan ko na yung carrot, siya naman tagabalat. Naghiwa ako ng pakwan. Siya naman nag-juice ng carrots. Maganda sa mata. Saka healthy. Masarap na talagang homemade juice. Watermelon, carrots, apple juice. Meron akong watermelon, carrots, pineapple. Guys, tingnan nyo, tapos na ang ginawa kong juice. Watermelon, pineapple, carrots.